I'm Jennifer Bennett. I'm an experienced immigration attorney. I'm going to tell you when is the best time to apply for every type of visa. Generally, if you entered the U.S. as a visitor, you're going to want to wait between 90 and 120 days to file for most types of visas. Otherwise, it's going to look shady. It's going to look to immigration like you got the visa and you said you were coming to visit, but you really wanted to move here permanently. Immigration is a lot smarter than you think that they are. If you're on a student visa, you need to determine the best time to qualify, and that may depend on your employment, your OPT, when your work authorization will expire, and when your graduation date is going to be. The rules are so tricky for students. That's why I say you always have to talk to an attorney. Yes, I know you're a student and it costs money to talk to the lawyer, but you can't risk messing it up at this stage. Let's say you entered the U.S. on a visa, but your period of stay has expired. At this point, you've overstayed and you're without status. In that case, we almost always want to apply for the visa that you're eligible for as soon as possible. So if you're out of status, don't stay out of status. Call an attorney right away so we can determine what options you have available. If you're applying for an employment-based visa, we need to consider whether you're going to have gaps in your employment eligibility so that we can determine the best date to apply. The laws about when to apply for visas are so complex. I went to law school for 3 years, and I've been practicing law for 15 years just to understand this stuff. I definitely do not expect anyone else, even if you're a PhD candidate, to understand all of these rules. Your best option is to hire an experienced attorney so you can do it right the first time. The worst thing you can do is file at the wrong time. If you file at the wrong time, you might find yourself out of work, or you might find yourself even stuck having to leave the United States and unable to come back in. I don't want that to happen to you, so please call my office. We love to help immigrants one visa at a time.